Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Home Cooking with Dana. Today is day 5 of 10 days of one pan recipes and we are going to make Mexican quinoa. If you like this dish, give a thumbs up and subscribe to see rest of the one pan recipes.
These are the ingredients we need. We have variety of colorful vegetables here. I'm using both red and green pepper finely chopped. This is going to give us beautiful red and green color. This quinoa meal is so easy to make and only takes about 20 minutes. I am making this vegetarian. You can also add chicken to this. So we got ready the vegetable we need: cilantro, red onion and tomato. Let's start putting them together. Into the skillet, add 2 cups of quinoa, 1 cup of black beans, 2 cups of red and green pepper, 1 cup of frozen corn, 1 cup of tomato, 1 cup of red onion, 3/4 cup of salsa, and for the spices, garlic powder, paprika powder, chilli powder, salt, and 2 cups of water. Cover the lid, bring this to boil and cook for about 15 minutes. Give this a mix in the meanwhile to avoid sticking onto the bottom. This is enough for 4 people. Once everything is cooked, add cilantro, give it a good mix and our healthy and delicious quinoa meal is ready. That's my day 5 one pot meal done and dusted. Stay tuned for the day 6 one pot recipe.